So today, I got my new hose in. I'm going to try this SmartFlex hose I found on Amazon, I think. I think they sell it at Atwoods or Tractor Supply or something like that too. I just don't like going anywhere. I always order everything. But here, this is a standard hose that you would see in a body shop paint. What we got here is the 3/8 inch, can't even speak right, diameter hose. I think it's got the 1/4 inch fitting, or the 1/4 inch fitting, or whatever you want to call it. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe I have to get new ends. I don't know yet. I might order the dumb one. Who knows? Let's see what we got. Okay, so no, I did not order the wrong one. So these have the 1/4 inch fittings that I like using. I ordered these off Amazon too. There was a whole kit of these besides that old one. Anyway, so we're going to fix up the hose real quick with these fittings. Before you undo all the zips on it, always do the ends real quick. Get your Teflon tape out and wrap them up. Quick tip on wrapping the tape. You're going to twist your parts on here like this to the right. So if you roll your tape the same way when it tears, make sure you twisted it clockwise. That way when you try to twist this on, it doesn't unravel in case you roll it the opposite direction, okay? Okay, I got my Teflon tape on here, and they're both put on clockwise, the fittings and the tape. Now I'm going to take 2 crescent wrenches, or you can find out what size these are, and tighten them with 2 other kinds of wrenches. Okay, they're all tightened on. Good to go. Right off the bat, this hose immediately feels nice, and look at it, how bendy it is. It's easy to bend. It feels really nice. As one of the SmartFlex hoses, they also come with these little sheaths on the end of it to help protect it from all the bending and stuff that is constantly going to be doing plugged into the compressor or into your air tools. Clip these off now. There's that one. Don't clip your hose. Okay. My favorite clickers. Okay, first thing right off the bat, here we go. Got it plugged up. Let's run our air to it. Both ends of the hose are sealed up. Should be nice and airtight. Unless this fitting leaks a little bit here on the deal. Anyway, it blew up a little bit when I plugged it up, but it's okay. I'll grab it like this here. I'm going to walk it out and then we'll uncoil it. Okay, right out the bag, I got it uncoiled. It has a little bit of memory to it from being turned, twisted up like this. Has a little bit, just right here at the end. You can see the rest of it's laid out pretty good. It's got a little bit of curve right here, but it'll lay out. Trust me, this thing's nice. It feels good and tough and rubbery. It ain't like these other ones. This one here on the bottom, or no, it's on the top. This one here on the top, I think it was a Cobalt hose from Lowe's. This other one was one of these diamond ones. It's still a good hose. It's much better, and it has plenty of wear, as you can see, and it's still held up. But this Cobalt one, don't use those. Don't buy them, because this thing started popping leaks in it, and when it did, literally the last time I gave up on it, I put some black tape on it because they started frequently popping. I had one here, and I have another one of these on it somewhere, like right down here. See? And I just put it over the leak without anything. And then I started taping them. And as soon as I taped one up with that black tape, it literally popped another one. And it did it 6 times in a row. And I unplugged it, threw it away. Went and got this other hose and waited for this new one to come in the mail. So get yourself a proper hose. I hope this one holds up to the beating it's going to take. Because I'm sure it's going to. These are made from... It's designed to be lightweight, kink resistant, and flexible in all weather conditions. This is a hybrid blend hose. Hey, if you're still here and you like my little video about the SmartFlex hose, reach over and hit that like button and subscribe for me, okay? Anyway, thanks a lot. I got lots of work to do. I got to get after it. So thanks a lot. See you guys later. Bye.